Meaning of Kumbh Mela.
Kumbh Mela.
Kumbh Mela.
Kumbh Mela.
Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela is a major pilgrimage and festival in Hinduism that is celebrated every 12 years. It is considered one of the largest religious gatherings in the world, attracting millions of pilgrims from all over India and even abroad. The festival is held in 4 locations in India: Allahabad, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain, and each location is believed to have its own unique spiritual significance. During Kumbh Mela, devotees take a dip in the holy rivers to cleanse their sins and attain spiritual liberation. The event is also marked by various rituals, devotional singing, and cultural and spiritual activities.